Welcome back, family. This is your boy D. For all you smart and intelligent folks out there, listen, that just simply means Ed. Today, I got a hot one for you, family. I got some updates and some changes regarding the CAPM. You already seen the title, so your boy needs to get to work because we got something to discuss. So let's bring out the glasses. Bam, we are good to go. All right, let's talk about this. Recently, PMI, Project Management Institute, had released and made a statement regarding, hey, FYI, you need to hurry up and go take the CAPM exam if you're looking to take the CAPM exam. Why? Because changes are coming, family. Yes, changes are coming. Change gonna come. Okay, I'm sorry. I got a little carried away, but I digress. Let me help you understand something, family. The reason, I shouldn't even say the reason, but it is the reason, but the reason why the CAPM exam is changing, my personal opinion, it changes all the time, meaning not all the time, but it has standards in place of when they decide to change. And one thing I love about project management, as well as the PMI org or Project Management Institute, is the fact that they are paying attention to real life business. What do you mean by that, ED? Well, what I mean by that is that they understand now businesses are using agile. Businesses are really focusing in on the business analysis aspect of project management. Normally, it really wasn't a heavy focus on that. So now they're bringing that to the forefront of saying, hey, yeah, business analysts and agile, we really need to start testing for this because the practitioners, the people that are out there actually doing the work, putting in that work, where they're actually using some of these techniques. So with that being the case, the PMI came back, and this is just a conversation I'm having in my head. I didn't talk to PMI and ask them this, but this is how I think the conversation would go. So let's see what happens. But yeah, family, the changes come in. So let's unpack what this looks like. So as I said to you before, they will be adding agile and business analysis, and because we are an exceptional channel, we're going to unpack both of those at a high level, and then eventually, maybe we'll put something more out there to actually break that down. So let's get to why you're here. So you have until at the making of this video. Today is I think it's let's say the month of April 2023, and on top of that you have until July, I repeat, until July 24th of 2023 to go and take the old CAPM exam. Again, I'll say you have until July 24th of 2023 to go take the old CAPM exam, because starting on July 25th of July, I said starting in July 25th of 2023, the CAPM exam will change. It will change from, like I said, they're adding those components in there, the business analyst, as well as the agile aspect of things. Now, what's important for you to understand and for you to know, again, and I know I keep using these words of saying business analyst and the agile framework. Reason why those pieces are important is because of the fact that uh, you have to understand when you are, as part of the scope, one of the key processes is collecting requirements. Once you collect your requirements, then you go ahead and define the scope. And then once you define the scope, you go ahead and create your WBS. Look at me showing off my 49 processes. But anyway, I digress. But the reason why is because they understand that the business analyst really does play a key role in the success of project management. And because of that, of collecting requirements, ensuring that when they have an opportunity to analyze data. Actually, I'm actually dealing with that currently right now, is that I'm analyzing a bulk of data to ensure that it's properly sent to the appropriate stakeholders so they can take action. And normally, you normally wouldn't see a project manager engaged in such, as far as doing a lot of data mining. But as I stated earlier, is becoming more prevalent because it only makes sense that the project manager get involved so they can understand the data, whether it's from a high level or in the weeds. For me, I'm in the weeds with it. I want to know the details so I can make sure, ensure that I can set my stakeholder up for success. The other aspect of things when you look at is agile. Now, with agile, the framework, there's so many different components of agile, from XP to Scrum, but I really want to talk about the Scrum piece. Now, there's going to be other pieces in there around Agile, but one that everyone really has a little bit more familiarity with is, you see how I said familiarity? I don't know why the tongue rolled like that. But anyway, have a little more familiarity with Scrum. Scrum is an amazing framework. I actually use it in project management. As far as now, watch how I use it. I use, especially when the project is in trouble, I'll use a component of the daily stand up. I'll even use a component of just locking the team in to focus on this body of work. And that's the same thing as a scrum master. You're focused in on the actual sprints that you're running day to day. So I'm super excited that they made the decision to go ahead and add that to the CapM and add that to just the practices of project management. Let me just wrap this up for you, family, and put a bow on it. And again, just to remind you, July 25th, 2023, the test is actually changing to the new test, which will, the new test, which will include the business analyst and the agile aspect. So you have until the 24th to take it, and then after that, it's done. So let's wrap this up. Let's put a big bow on this, and we can move on. First of all, I want to give a shout out to my mentor and my friend, Phil. Phil actually released a video on this as well. I haven't had a chance to dig deep into the whole video just yet. I looked at I didn't want to look at it because I wanted to create my own piece, and then I'm going to go back and visit it and see what I could have done better at, because he's a genius when it comes to articulating out these type of things when it comes to project management. And I'm in his shadow just trying to learn as best as I can. So watch this, so I can go to that next level and continue to bring you guys this context. So I'll leave that link in the description. I'll also, family, just because I really like this, I love how you guys are showing me the love that I'm getting. I'll also leave in the link of the change, so you can go and look at go straight to the PMI website and look at the actual change that is actually occurring. Just don't take my word. As I always say, just because I said it, I always want you to verify it, so you'll know, so we'll both be on the same page. So again, family, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Again, my name is ED. For all you smart and intelligent folks out there, listen, that just simply means Ed. And I'm out.